Hi, it's Vincent Mancini, your Ironman Realtor with my good buddy, Mr. Licorice. Is your space making you feel cramped? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean you need more square footage. There are minor design and decor options out there to give you the illusion of more space, and it doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. Are you looking to revamp your place? Or maybe you're getting ready to sell? Well, we're going to give you 5 ways to make any room in your house feel more spacious. Number 1, using lighting wisely. Adding light is one of the easiest ways to make a room feel bigger. If there are windows in the room, you can increase natural light by opening blinds and curtains. You can also brighten a space with artificial lights like lamps and chandeliers. Number 2, hang wall mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and can make a space feel like it has more dimension. Big statement mirrors are best, but any mirror can help, even a couple of small ones as part of a gallery wall. Number 3, let's get creative with storage. Having loads of furniture in a space can make it seem smaller and more crowded. To prevent this, add built-in shelves, use vertical space, and invest in furnishings with hidden storage space. Number 4, choose window treatments carefully. Heavy fabrics can shrink a space, making it feel more compact and confined. Instead, select light-colored, airy, and sheer drapes and curtains that let in more light. And number 5, pick a light color scheme. Dark colors work like heavy fabrics. To enlarge the space, focus on lighter color palettes, whites, pastels, yellows, and similar tones. Are you ready to begin your search for a space that meets your needs? Well, I'd love to help you. I'm Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor. I go the distance for you.